Hi! In this video, we will show you how to use the User Performance and Team Performance windows on VisitBasis. Both are located under the Dashboard menu item and will load Google Data Studio interfaces so you can see your data in table and chart formats. Also, both look and navigate pretty much the same way, allowing you to choose the date range over here and the user or team that you want to filter by over here. So let's choose our date range. Let's say I want to see Q2 data for all my users, so March the 1st to June 30th. Right now I am seeing data on 2 users, my demo user and Anna. The first chart shows you how many reports were generated each day. If I want to see the data for only one user, I can filter the information here. Let's say I only want to see my demo user. There you go. To go back to seeing all users, I just check the user box. In the Team Performance window, the number of reports by date is grouped in teams. So in this chart for the later part of April, I can see that users in my sales team generated more reports than the users with no team assigned. If I want to export the data table for this chart, just click on these 3 dots on the top right, click on Export, and choose the format. For instance, this is what I see when I export this data to Google Sheets. This menu also allows you to store the data on the chart. The next table shows you how long each user worked by date, similar to the timesheets window. So date, username, time they started working on the date, meaning the first activity recorded on the app on that date, time finished. This works in a similar way for the last activity recorded on the app on that date, work time, or the difference between the time finished and time started, report time, the time spent filling in reports, percent of planned visits completed, unplanned visits, tickets completed, places visited, and photos taken. In the Team Performance window, the users are grouped by team. You can also sort and export the data from this table by clicking on the top right menu. Down here on this table, I can compare individual user statistics or team statistics on the Team Performance window with the actual number of visits planned and completed, tickets, reports, photos, etc., as well as percentages and averages. This data can also be sorted or exported. This is it about the User Performance and Team Performance windows. Should you have any questions, please send us a ticket by following the links in the Help menu item. Thank you for choosing VisitBasis.